Now the product rule is used when two expressions are being multiplied together and you want to find the derivative. The product rule is this: y equals to u v. If y equals u into v, then dy by dx equals to u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u, right? This is given in your exam formula sheet, so you don't have to learn this, but you have to understand this, right? As I've told you before, product rule is used when two functions are being multiplied together or two expressions are being multiplied together. Let's say I have y equals to 3x plus 4 into 4x square plus 2. Now one way of doing it is this: let us solve this expression and then derivate the individual terms and then add them together. And the other way of doing this is I apply this product rule. So let's keep this 3x plus 4 as u and this as v, right? So in the product rule I need the derivative of v and also I'll need the derivative of u, right? So this is the derivative of u. This is u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u, right? So I need to find derivative of v and derivative of u. So the derivative of u will be 3, derivative of v will be 8x, right? So dy over dx will be u into derivative of v, right, which is 3x plus 4 into 8x plus v into derivative of u. So v is 4x squared plus 2 into 3, right? So you can simplify this expression, multiply these two together, then find the derivative of the individual terms and check whether the answer you get is equal to this or not. Do that right now and check this answer. Pause the video, do it and check that whether the answer is equal to this or not, and write down your answer in the comment section whether it's wrong or right. Alright, so this is how a product rule is used. Now let's do a complicated example. Let's say we are given y equals to 3x squared plus 4 power 2 into 2x cube plus 4 power 2, right? So now these two are being multiplied together. So if I wish to use the product rule, I'll use this, right? So this will give me dy by dx will be equal to u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Alright, so now u is 3x squared plus 4 squared and v is, let's use red for v, v is 2x cube plus 4 power square. Now let's find the derivative of v. Derivative of v will be, I'll use chain rule or I'll use the statement differentiate with outer power into differentiate without outer power, without outer function into differentiate with outer function. So I'll get 2 into 2x cube plus 4. I'm differentiating with outer function right now. 2 negative 1 into differentiate without outer function. So I'll get 8x squared, right? The derivative of 2x cubed plus 4 only is 8x squared plus 0. Alright, from this I need to find the derivative of u. So the derivative of u will be, from this it will be differentiate with outer power with outer function into derivate without outer function. So that is 6x, right? The derivative of 3x squared plus 4 is only is 6x plus 0, right? So we'll get u complement equals to 12x 3x squared plus 4 and v complement or v derivative will be equal to 16x squared into 2x cube plus 4. So I'll simply plug these values in this formula. So from that we'll get dy over dx equals to u into v, 3x squared u into derivative of v plus 4 whole square. Derivative of v is this, which is 16x squared into 2x cube plus 4, and then v into derivative of u. So v is, this is v, 2x cube plus 4 power square into derivative of u is this, into 12x into 3x squared plus 4. Alright, so that's how you use the product rule. This is given in exam. You don't have to learn it, but you have to understand it. Alright, you can either multiply u and v, right, simplify it and then derivate into real terms, or you can derivate it collectively by using this formula, u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. In the next lecture, we'll learn about the quotient rule, which is used on fractions.